Having just demonstrated a perfect example of a third gear screw-up coming into the corner, there was no way that I was going to be denying this absolute smile of my wife's going to kill me, but I need to try this.
We've got him in second gear. Goes about 15 or so. There we go, he's starting to learn how to feather it. Well, everyone, I think we found ice racer heaven. We're out here today by personal invite to Unity Raceway in order to test out the inside of the flood area. We're going to set up over where those two black marks are. We're going to see whether we can get a small track going on the inside just for the fun of it. Maybe bring her around and see what else we can do around the track. Welcome for the ride.